Hello friends, in this video I am going to demonstrate you how can we digitize a field map or a geological map using ArcGIS software. In this video I am going to use an imaginary map so that I can show you all the tips and tricks that I have followed in order to digitize this map. So here you can see I have digitized the same map and it's showing the north arrow, the legend, the scale bar, the grid, the main map body and the title of the map. You can do this in maximum 15 to 20 minutes if you follow all the tips and tricks that I am going to demonstrate to you guys. So let me take you to my laptop screen, and you need to open ArcGIS software and then select new map option, and then you have to select a blank map. Select blank map and then press OK button. After this you have to double click the layers in order to open the properties, and then you have to select the coordinate system for this map. This varies based on depending on the locations. For this reason I have to locate WGS 1984, which can be found under World, and then you have to select WGS 1984. So select WGS 1984 and then press apply and then OK. Then you have to add the map which you want to digitize. So the map should be in some folder, and in order to locate that folder, select connect to folder option, and then I have selected this folder in which the map is located. So select this folder and then press OK. After this you need to select the file, the JPG or PNG or TIFF file that you are going to digitize, and then select add button, and yes, this would import your map. Press OK. So here we can see this is the map that we are going to digitize. To digitize this map, first of all you need to georeference this map so that all the features that you are going to digitize are accurately placed at their own geographical locations. So select this georeferencing tab by clicking this white or empty portion, and then select georeferencing tab. But I already have this georeferencing tab located over here. So you need to uncheck this auto adjust option. Uncheck this, and then you have to add 4 control points with known coordinates. So these 4 corners are the locations where I know the exact coordinates. For example, this one is having the latitude which is 33 and the longitude which is 72. So x is longitude, I will have to input 72 over here, and then y is the latitude, and the latitude at this corner of map is 33. Then in the same way you have to add control point for the second corner. In order to add control point, first you need to left click the mouse button, and then you have to right click the mouse button in order to input the x and y. This would be followed for all the 4 points, all the 4 control points. You can also input x and y, or the latitude and longitude, in 2 ways. That is by adding x and y, or by adding by DMS, degree, minutes and seconds. So this is the 4th one, and I will input the coordinates by using XY feature. X being the longitude which is 72 and Y is the latitude which was 32. Then you have to go to georeferencing tab and click rectify button, and then save and press OK. After this, go back to georeferencing tab and select update georeferencing. By this, the map disappears. Basically, it moves to its actual location. To navigate that location, you need to select the map under layers and then right click, and then you can select zoom to layer. Or there is another way, and being you have to select the map file under layers and then click this full extend button. The map would be displayed again. Now we have georeferenced this map, and now we can digitize. For this you have to create the shape files, which I am going to explain you in the second part of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press like button.